Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to manage packages on OpenBSD. To search for a package, pkg underscore info, capital Q, and the name of your package, Simatwist in this case. To add a package, pkg underscore add, the name of the package. To remove a package, pkg underscore delete, the name of the package. To update a package, pkg underscore add slash u and the name of the package. It will search for an updated version and it will update it. If it is already updated, it won't do nothing. And to update all the packages in your system, pkg add u without nothing after. It will scan your system to find packages to update. In this case, there is nothing to update. After that, if you want to reboot the system, write reboot, or if you want to shut down OpenBSD, shut down /ph now and click enter. See you later, guys.